Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from FabFitFun. And they are $49.99 quarterly subscription box. And it is seasonal, so you receive it 4 times a year. And they promise to have, for the, $50, we'll say, a value of $200+ in must-have full-size products from premium brands. And it says best collection of beauty, fashion, jewelry, fitness. It's more like a lifestyle box. And FabFitFun has come a long way in the last couple years. I do believe they have over 1 million members. And down in the subscription box, I do have an affiliate link where you could save $10 off your first box if you are not a member and you are thinking about joining. So if you are thinking about it, I would appreciate it if you would use my link, but by no means, do you have to. And let's get right into the box. It's a pretty big box and it's heavy. And this is a beautiful spring box. Beautiful colors. Love it. So I do save these boxes because these are great for storage, and sometimes I use them to ship things. You always get a magazine, and Venus Williams is on the front. I do believe she has a product in some of the boxes. They do offer, you do get variations because you don't get, not everybody gets the same box. So this is a nice, magazine. It tells you, gives you things to do, things to read, tells you about the products, so forth, and then you get a what's in the box. So I will be showing that to you as we go along, because certain members, because there's regular members, and then there are select members, and the select members are the members that pay for the whole year in advance. I just do season to season. So you get to customize some of the boxes. Lately, these are in a lot of their boxes, or a lot of boxes in general. It comes nicely packaged with a sticker. So we will open that up. And I'm just going to I'm going to try to grab in order so that I can show you in the booklet. And this is something that I chose. And this is Show Me Your Moo Moo. And this is a robe. So I want to open this. There we go. Let me unwrap it so that I can show you. So this is a real pretty robe with a tie. Yeah, no pockets, short sleeve, and it is longer in the back and shorter in the front. Nice material, nice, lightweight spring, summer, maybe early fall, but beautiful. It's got some weight to it, so that's nice. And I do believe this was, only went up to like a size 14 or something like that, so more or less like a one size type of item. So that is the robe right there. So I'm just going to leave that right there for right now. So I wanted to show you there were 3 options that all members got to pick from. You could have picked the robe. They had a backpack, which was right here. I'm trying to, no glare. Or you could have gotten the aromatherapy diffuser. Now, I have a diffuser, so I don't need another one. I don't use it that often, so I'm not really into that. The backpack, I do have a beautiful leather one. I use it occasionally if I'm going out for the entire day or if I'm traveling, so I didn't need another one. So I chose the robe, and that has a value of $84. And you have to hand wash in cold water and lay flat to dry, so that's, could be problematic for some people. Doesn't bother me any. So that is the first item in the box, so we'll just move this out of the way so that we can continue. And then the next item that I got to choose, pick this right here, and here's the packaging. I'm always excited when I get this box because I never look at the sneak peeks, and I only ever know about the items that I physically have chosen. as being a member. So this is a glass case, and this is the name of the company. I'm not really sure how to say this. QUAY, Australia. And these are sunglasses. So we'll open them up right here. Let's see. Let's slip them off. Of course, that's not going to... Maybe I should take it off this way. Wrap nice to protect the lenses. And there's... So this is what they look like. Or like aviator style. Be sunny, stay shady. So their tag. And they are nice dark lenses. And they feel comfortable on your face. So I will show pictures at the end of the glasses. You know, nice sidearms, nice here. Very nice. They're not too big, just the right size. And, you know, I don't think in this, with the summer coming, I wear sunglasses all year round. So it never hurts to have. And it comes in a nice, you know, nice case that you could leave in and keep in your car or keep in your handbag, however you'd like to do that. Just trying to get rid of all the trash. Okay, so I'm going to show you in the magazine. This here was an item that we got to choose. You could have chosen from either the pair of sunglasses that I did not choose, and this is, they were called My Girl in Black Smoke. So you could have chose that pair, and that was more like more like that kitten style with the point at, you know, at the outer part of the eye. I chose the Vivian in Black Smoke with a retail value of $60. Or you could have picked the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. And I've seen a lot of people unbox that, and that's really cute. Or you could have chosen the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. And I chose the sunglasses. I mean, I have a couple pair. In my opinion, I don't think you can ever have too many sunglasses. So that's what I chose. And then we're going to do the next item, because that was something that I chose. And this is from... The company is called Giada, and this is from Giada De Laurentiis. She's a Food Network chef, and I think she has her own show, or she did. And I figured, you know what, I have one set of measuring spoons, but I don't think you can ever have too many of them either, especially if you like to bake or even just cooking. Sometimes you need. Oh, these are heavy. Ooh, nice. Nice quality. So they come nicely packaged. So I'm just going to untwist all this stuff off so that I can show you the item. So it's in a package, and they have some weight to them. They're not light. Comes on a nice ring that looks like you can open it right here. So if you wanted to hang them. So it's 1/4 teaspoon, you know, your standard quarter, probably half, and then 1 tablespoon, and then, or 1 teaspoon and then 1 tablespoon. So they are, I'll share them right here. Here's all 4. So they are very nice. I mean, they have some weight to them. I'm excited to be able to try them. I do like Giada De Laurentiis. I do watch her show. So I think that was the main reason that I chose, you know, this particular item, which I am not disappointed that I chose it. So that's nice. So I'm going to show you here in the book, because this is also an all members got to pick their item. So down here, you could have chosen the copper-plated measuring spoons, and they have a value of $15. You could have chosen the Levito aromatic body lotion in mandarin orange and bergamot, or a mystery item. So I've seen a lot of different things for a mystery item. I think I saw somebody unbox and they got a beauty blender. So if that is something that you're want to take a chance on, I mean, I was going to choose the mystery item, and I would have been thrilled if I got another beauty blender, because you can never have too many makeup sponges, in my opinion, just like brushes. But I'm happy I chose the spoons. So then we're going to move on to the products that if you are a select member, which that's a yearly membership, you get to customize these items. And because I am a seasonal member, they pick this item for you. Ooh, that's nice. And this is by Swell. And this is the Sip by Swell. And this is hot or cold. Insulated to keep your drinks hot or cold. So it's just a twist off top. I'll take this. I'm not going to take it all out of the package, but nice metal, secure lid. You know, great for the summertime for, and it says Sip by Swell, you know, for coffee, tea, for hot, or, I'll turn it this way so you guys can see it. So I got a nice, like a burgundy, nice burgundy color. So I seen this, that a few people were unboxing, and I was like, oh, that's really nice. They had some patterns and some solid colors. So I'm happy I got that, because not everybody might have gotten that unless you were a select member and you chose it. So now this section here, these 3 items, you got one of the 3, and they choose which one you get. You could have gotten the necklace from the 2 bandits. That might be kind of hard to see because of the glare. So you could have gotten a necklace. You could have gotten the Ciate London translucent setting powder. I would have not minded any one of these 3, a nice necklace or the setting powder, but I did get the Sip by Swell, and that has a $19.99 value, hand wash only, which, you know, makes sense. I wouldn't put something like that in the dishwasher. So then the next item that the yearly members got to pick, or the select members, they got to choose one of the 3 items. I am not, so I received this item, and this is from Daily Concepts, and this is their Daily Detox Massaging Brush, and this is 100% natural bristles, and this is for dry brushing. So I guess I'm trying to see. It says directions: polish in circular motions all over your body in order to stimulate circulation and eliminate layers of dead skin, designed to exfoliate and smooth skin to improve overall appearance. So I think I have received one of these in the past. I don't know if, I know I did not keep it. I'm just trying to think if I gave it to a family member. I'm really not sure if I put it in a giveaway. Honestly, I just don't remember. So, and this, they have different variations. You could either get gentle, mild, or vigorous, and this one is vigorous. I'm okay with this. You know, it's not something, like I said, I think I did either put it in a giveaway or give it away. Not something that I tend to use. I have products that I do use for that. So you could have gotten one of these 3 items. You could have gotten by Tula, it's the Purifying Face Cleanser. You could have gotten the Daily Concepts, which I got, which is a value of $18. Or you could have gotten the 11 by Venus, and that's a jump rope. So obviously, you know, Venus Williams is on the front cover of this magazine. So this is her product for jump rope. And in my profile, I did state that I did not want exercise equipment, because one month I'm trying to think what I received, some kind of roller thing, massage thing. And then this, I just really don't have any place for that. So I just said I did not want to receive anything like that. So I figured I would get one of these 2. When I saw people unboxing and getting the jump rope, I knew I was not going to get that. And then these items down here in the bottom, everyone receives in their box, whether you are a seasonal member or a select member. So now we are going to go to this first one. And this is from Way. And this is a leave-in conditioner. And this is 4.7 ounces. And this is a value of $26, and this is very good. I have used this in the past. I'm currently using the Briogeo products that I've received, but I will give this a try after I'm finished with those. And it's a spray pump, and that's a good amount. I mean, you do a couple pumps, you know, and I have a little bit longer than shoulder length hair, and I still only use, you know, 3 or 4 pumps, and this will last a long time. So I'm excited to get that and try it, and that has a value of $26. And this one I was excited to see that a lot of people were getting in their box. And this is from Dr. Brandt Skincare. And this is Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And this has a value of $42. And let's open this up. And this is 0.5 ounces. So it's not a large tube. But Dr. Brandt's products are expensive. But supposedly they work very, very well. So that's the size of the I would assume it would be a cream or a gel. I don't know if it's, oh, it's a salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Nice. And that has a value of $42, so I'm excited to try that. I don't have bags, but you know, as you get older, I am 57. You start to get a little discoloration, just from being tired and just normal life. So I use a color corrector from Wet n Wild now to, just lightly go over that. And I don't have to use a concealer. I mean, it's not required. So I just use the Wet n Wild color corrector under my eye and it just balances it out. And then when I put my makeup on, it's done. I don't have to be bothered with all that concealer. And this is another product. I just received a mascara from MaureenMcD, so I'm excited to see something else from them in a different box. And this is from MaureenMcD, and this is their Champagne Body Scrub. Wow. And this is a value of $24. And let's open this up. Oh, it has a seal on it. I don't want to open this because I do have one right now that I am using. So this way it keeps its moisture. I don't know if it would dry out if I opened it, but the packaging is beautiful. The nice, rose gold lid and just the overall packaging of the product. And this is a heavy product. I wonder what size this is. This is 18.34 ounces, 520 grams. I mean, this has some weight to it, but like I said, that's very, very, got some very, very heavy. So like I said, here are the products right here that everyone received. I'll show you those. So that's everything in the, oh, and I'm sorry, I don't think I even said that. This is the Spring FabFitFun box for 2019. And it does tell you, and I'll show you in the little booklet, that the total value dependent upon the selections that you received, is anywhere from $226.99 to $314, depending upon the products that you received. So I generally am very, very happy with my FabFitFun box. I think about a year and a half getting FabFitFun. December, which was the winter box, was okay for me, but it can't be something that you love every single time. I mean, with any subscription box, you're going to have hits and misses. I did enjoy most of the products. There were a few that I was just like, oh, not again. Something similar to this, like, not again. Like, you get these types of things in so many boxes. But I understand it's a product and most people probably do enjoy those. So I'm always happy to get this box. And this is a splurge box for me because it is $50 every quarter. But like I said, this is a box that I thoroughly enjoy. So that is the video for today, and this is the FabFitFun Spring 2019 box. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.